How to share Amazon gift card via link. Amazon.com is an online marketplace where customers can buy a wide variety of products, including electronics, books, clothing, groceries, and more. In order to send Amazon gift card link, first go to Amazon.com and log in to your account. Then search gift card on the search box. Click on gift card for every occasion. Click on e-gift card. You can customize gift card by clicking on them. Enter custom amounts. Choose email or text message. And put the email or number of your friend whom you want to send this gift card to. Your name, message. You can also put custom delivery date of the email. So that is how you can send gift card. Thanks for watching.